How to turn on and off call barring on Android. This tutorial shows you how to restrict specific types of calls on your Android device. First, open the phone app on your Android device and tap the three dots at the top right to open the menu. Tap Settings, then tap Supplementary Services. From there, tap Call Barring, then tap Voice Calls. Here, you'll see two sections, one for outgoing calls and one for incoming calls. For outgoing calls, you have two options: all outgoing calls, which blocks every call you try to make, or international calls, which only restricts calls made to international numbers. For incoming calls, you also have two options: all incoming calls, which blocks everyone from reaching you, or all incoming calls when roaming, which only restricts incoming calls when you're abroad. Tap whichever option suits your needs, and it will prompt you to enter a call barring password. By default, this is usually 0000 or 1234, depending on your carrier. To turn off any barring you've enabled, simply go back into the same option and toggle it off using the same password. Keep in mind, call barring is different from blocking a contact. It restricts entire categories of calls rather than specific numbers, so use it carefully depending on what you need. And that's it. If this guide helped you set up call barring on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next one.